Yesterday, the USA won. Today, I got some paint and I got inspired. Take a look.
Hey, it's Hans at the Cottages at Pine Lake in North Alabama. America's turning 250 this week. The USA is crushing it in the World Cup, and I just built something our residents are going to love. Right here on the property, a full soccer field, hand-painted red, white, and blue. I'm going to show you how we built it, take you on a tour of the community, and at the end, I have a penalty kick that may or may not have taken me 40 attempts to nail. Stick around.
So we've got the first tiny soccer field at a tiny house community that I know of across the entire country. Here we are, Cottages at Pine Lake. Built this soccer goal right here just for the residents. You know, they're gonna be having a 4th of July celebration this weekend. So they've got the volleyball court, we've got some fire pit, of course. We've got the pergola out here, some solar lights, some decorations, a grill, a nice couch out here, sectional, a bunch of other chairs, a hammock, some cornhole boards, and now we've got a soccer field and a soccer net as well. So basically the residents can come over here, line up on the spot, and shoot on each other and have a fun little tournament, have their own little penalty kick shootout right here at the property at the Cottages Pine Lake. So just one more thing that we're doing here at the property is to have a little bit of fun and do some neat things. And right now with the USA 250 going on celebrations and all, 4th of July, and the USA doing so well in the World Cup tournament, why not show off our colors, our red, white, and blue, and have some fun with soccer ball and let the residents get in on some of the action. So go USA, GoTinyBeFree. So what's really neat about this property, not only is it cool and have lots of fun with soccer and volleyball and all sorts of different things that we have going on here at the property, but this right here, this open community center, you've got all the trees here around. Take you, let you see a little bit better, but look at all these trees. And then you've got a tiny house right here. You could be right there. There's a couple lots available right back here, right there in the forest. So this could be you. You could be walking out to your soccer pitch right from your tiny house, shoot a couple balls in the net, go back inside, take a nap, go jump on the hammock over there, or come over here and enjoy the fire pit with the other residents, or sit down and lounge over there in the pergola with a nice sectional couch that's in there, fire up the grill, cook up some steaks or some chicken. It's a little bit warm today. Let's take a few steps over here toward the lake and have a nice little look. Across the road. Here we go. This awesome lake. What a beautiful day. We got a nice little breeze blowing. Got these nice some dragonflies flying around, kill the mosquitoes.
This is the view our residents wake up to every single day, the lake, right out the front door of their tiny house. And there are still lots available right now if this lifestyle is something you're looking for. After this, I'm going to show you a couple of the Airbnbs on the property, and then we settle this penalty kick.
So come and join us. Cottages at Pine Lake. You can go to GoTinyCottages.com to get more information. There's some of the Airbnbs there at the front of the property you can see on the front of the lake. And there's another tiny house right there. A couple more. So, all right, just for fun, we're going to try and split the fire pit and the bench and get the ball in the net. Place your bets. All right, here we go. mentality like that. USA, USA. Okay, going to the spot. This is for everything. USA. Cottage Pine Lake. He shoots. He scores. Goal! Go Tiny, be free.